Hey everyone. In today's quick kitchen tip, I'm going to show you how to measure 1/3 of a cup, even if you don't have a 1/3 cup measuring tool at home. Let's break it down. Picture a full cup in your mind. If you split that cup into three equal parts, each part would be 1/3 of a cup. But what do you do if your measuring set skips that size? No worries, there's a super easy workaround. All you need is a tablespoon and a teaspoon. The exact measurement for 1/3 of a cup is 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. That's it. Just measure out 5 tablespoons, add 1 teaspoon, and you've got yourself exactly 1/3 of a cup. Now, there's another way you could do this too. If you have a 1/4 cup, you could use that and then add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. That will also get you to 1/3 of a cup. But honestly, if you're already using your tablespoon and teaspoon, it's faster and simpler to just go with the 5 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon method. This trick comes in handy all the time, whether you're baking, cooking, or just trying to follow a recipe without a full set of measuring cups. That's it for today's tip. Hope you found it helpful.